In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import and view media in Nuke. We're going to bring an image or video into your project and get it on screen using a read node and the viewer, which is the cleanest, most reliable way to start any node-based workflow. Begin by opening the read dialog. The fastest way is to press R on your keyboard. If you prefer menus, go to Image and choose Read. Both paths do the exact same thing, so use whichever feels natural. The read command is Nuke's gateway for pulling external media into the node graph, whether it's a single still image, a movie file, or an image sequence. When the file browser appears, navigate to the folder that contains your media and select the file you want to work with. Take a brief moment to confirm you're choosing the correct clip, or still, double-check the name, version, and location so you don't have to relink later. If you're working with an image sequence, consistent numbering helps Nuke recognize it automatically when you select one of the frames. This quick verification step saves time and prevents surprises down the line. Click Open to confirm your choice. You'll see a read node appear in the node graph. It's usually labeled with the file name and the path to your media. Think of this node as a reference to your file on disk. It doesn't copy or bake anything in, it simply points to the source, which keeps your project lightweight and non-destructive. That's why keeping your media organized on disk is helpful. If the file is moved, the node will need its path updated. To view your media, connect the read node to a viewer. The quickest method is to select the read node and press 1 to pipe it into viewer 1, or press 2 to send it to viewer 2. As soon as you do, the image or clip should appear in the viewer panel. If you don't see anything, make sure the read node is selected before pressing the hotkey and that you're on the correct viewer tab. Using multiple viewers is handy for quick comparisons as your script grows. With the media visible, scrub the timeline to preview a video or sequence and use zoom and pan in the viewer to check details. Confirm the image looks as expected so you're starting from solid ground. That's all you need to import and view media. Open read, pick your file, click open and connect it to a viewer with 1 or 2. This simple pattern is the foundation of most workflows, and mastering it keeps you fast and confident as you move into compositing.